Kimpira is one of the typical Japanese foods and is recalled as the taste of mother's home cooking. It could be burdock root, carrot, or lotus root. Mix of burdock root and carrot is the most popular and you might see it in bento box at Japanese supermarkets. If there is white rice, miso soup, and grilled fish besides kimpira on your table, that's a nice Japanese meal already. Today I'll show you kimpira carrot stir fry. Having just carrots in your fridge could turn a delicious side dish. I hope you like it. I will put the recipe and ingredients in the end of the movie for your later use. Don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss any Japanese home cooking. Alright, let's get started. At first, peel the carrot, then shred them into long and thin pieces with a knife or shredder. We use knife to cut any vegetables to any shapes. I think it's a Japanese culture. You can see how to cut carrots from the different angle. Then heat the sesame oil in a frying pan. Add the carrot and stir fry on middle heat. When the carrot softens, add mirin. And add soy sauce. We use the combination of mirin and soy sauce in Japanese home cooking a lot. Just remember always put mirin first because if you put soy sauce first, the taste could be strong. Then continue to stir fry until all of the liquid is cooked off. When it's cooked, transfer the cooked carrot to a plate. Sprinkle white sesame seeds. You can get sesame seeds at Asian markets. If you don't have it, it's okay, but I can say it's a big difference with or without white sesame seeds. いただきます。It tastes sweet and salty like teriyaki sauce, which is our favorite taste. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the movie. Finally, check the recipe and ingredients here. This is a recipe. And ingredients here. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またねー。